Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up a basic approval board in Monday.com, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple system where someone submits an item and a manager can approve or reject it. Let's get started. First, click the Add button on the left and choose New Board. Name the board something like Approval Workflow. Choose Start from Scratch and keep the board type set to Main so everyone can access it. Now let's add the key columns we need. Click the plus at the top to add a status column and rename it Approval Status. Add a People column to assign who needs to approve. Add a Date column for the request date, and finally add a text column for any notes or descriptions. To make the approval workflow clear, click into the Approval Status column and edit the labels. Change them to Pending, Approved, and Rejected. Now our workflow has the core structure ready. Now let's automate the approval. Click Automations at the top, then Create Custom Automation. Choose the recipe. When status changes to Approved, notify someone. This will alert the requester whenever their item is approved. Add another. When status changes to Rejected, notify someone. You can also add, when a new item is created, set status to Pending. This keeps everything organized automatically. If you want people to submit requests easily, click Views, then choose Form. Monday.com will convert your board into a form instantly. You can share this link with your team so anyone can submit a request that goes straight into the board with status set to Pending. Let's test it. I'll add a new request. The status is automatically set to Pending. Now I change it to Approved, and the system instantly sends a notification. The same happens if it's rejected. This means our approval board is working perfectly. And that's it. You've just created a fully working approval workflow in Monday.com, perfect for content approvals, leave approvals, or any requests. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.